I want to make a sequel to my previous video about the remote control tester. It's even simpler. You need 3 parts too, but you don't need a case, battery, or power controller. It assembles in minutes. It's easy to use and compact, so we need an infrared receiver, LED, and US plug. We assemble everything according to this diagram. I believe that this is the simplest and most reliable scheme available. You ask why? I will answer. Everyone at home will find either a USB charger for a phone, tablet, or other devices, or a socket with USB, or carriers. Now there are a million kinds of USB or hub, or computer, system unit, or laptop tuner to TVs, speakers with Bluetooth. Almost everything now lead to a socket with USB. I think at least one thing you definitely have. And so this circuit is convenient, and in size and speed of assembly and in the number of parts. These parts can be found even at home and without buying them. I have various testers to test remote controls, starting with the first, big ones, and now the small ones that I made with my own hands. I reduced them to the smallest size. Thank you all. Subscribe to my channel for a lot of interesting stuff. Thank you. Bye.